Assalamu alaikum. We are going to discuss that how different forms could be created in Microsoft Access for data entry into the database. We have a database order management system, and if we see that one customer have many orders and one employee can process many orders, so we could create forms for the customer, form for the employee, and form for the order separately to enter data into these tables. Already we have some data in these tables, uh, and employee table and orders. Uh, to create the separate form for these, it is very easy. We have to go. Let me first close all these table. Uh, Now go to the create menu and come to the form wizard. There are different methods, but the simplest one is this one, form wizard. I'm going to create a single data entry form for the customer, and then I'm going to add all its attribute, but at the end sometimes it is the photo. I have to select it only once, and next, then the layout of the form, and then the title of the form. So we could add customer data entry. Customer data entry form should be the title of this, and when I finish it, I can get all these this interface where I can add record to this form. I can add this is the first record, this is the second record, third, fourth, fifth, and if I want to add the new record, so here I can come and enter all the data, and then set this navigation bar. It will be saved into this table. Similarly, let me create another form for the customer, just like the same one for the employee, and add all these attributes. Next, and here employee data entry. That from here we will be adding data into the employees. So far I have 6 employees data, and when I will be needing to add the new one, so I could add it from here. For example, you can enter the data and click the next button. It will be saved to this table. This is the single data entry form, but sometimes we need to combine forms into main and sub form, because whenever we have the in the relationship, when there is one to many relationship, which means that for one customer there could be many orders, so we could combine these two uh, tables on a single form to make it easily view the customer and the order he is placed, or to enter the data from the same place for both the customer and the order. And similarly, from employee to order, there is one to many relationship, so I could also create two combined form. Employee will be my main form, and table order will be my subform. So let's create the combined form for the customer and order. So it is also easier. Go to the form wizard and first select the customer, because customer is my in the relationship, it is on the one side. I will add all the attribute, and for the photo again I will be uh, there are different options comes in sometimes, so I will keep only one attribute is the photo. But when I will add all the attribute of the customer, then I should not go to the next option, but here from the combo box I should select the order, the main side, and I need to add all its attribute here, and then go to next, and now you can see that the customer detail will appear on the top and the order detail will appear at the bottom. And form with subform, next, and next, and here the title of the main form will be customer order management interface. For example, management interface. I am giving this name to it, and here I am labeling it as order details. So these label will display on the form. When I will click next, yeah, we can see that this is the customer is my main form, and this is the sub form with all the detail of the order. Now what it shows me that the customer number 6 has placed 10 orders. You can see 1 to 12 orders, and this the full detail of the orders of the customer number 6 is over here. When I will change the customer from 6 to 7 by navigating, so we can see that this customer number 7 has 6 order, and similarly the next one, and with changing of the order and the customer we can get the result of the order. And when I will be adding the new customer, I can add the new order for that customer as well from here. And if I'm not adding a customer but customer number 14 has a new order, so I can just come here and add all the detail, and then by navigating this, by clicking this navigation bar, this record will be saved. So this is how form with subform work. Let's create the other form with the employee, the similar form where employees manages orders. So in that case, employee will be my main form and the order will be my subform, and I will proceed with the same way, and next, and then title of the form, so employees order processing, employee processing interface. From this interface we can add and update the data of the orders which are processed by the employee, order details. And when I will finish it, the form order detail already exists. Okay, so let me order information, finish. And now you can see that this employee number 1 has managed all these orders. And when I will check the next employee, this employee number 2 is Ali, has managed this order so far process, and this is how the form, main form and subform works together. And similarly, I could also create the form for a single form for the order as well, as I created for the customer and for the employee, and combined form. So for the customer, for the order, I can also create a single form from where I could add the order detail, order data entry, order data entry. So this is the form from where this simple order can be added. So I created a single form for order data entry, customer data entry, and employee data entry, and then the combined form for customer order management, from where customer manages the different order and the employees who are processing different orders. So this is how a single form and form with subform could be created. Thank you.